Oh, welcome back, guys. Another video on our playlist JavaScript. First of all, don't forget to check previous lesson in order to build your knowledge on JavaScript. Okay, in this lesson, we'll make a sneak peek about the data type primitive. Okay, that will be an incredible journey we learn together. Okay, let's move to our Visual Code. Okay, we have there the JavaScript data types primitive, okay, which is our index.js. That's that. Okay, let age equal to 13, for example. Okay, we make a small test to see together the result. Okay, now if you want, we can make the console.log in order to log the age and see directly on the console. Okay, we have on the console 13. Congratulations. Now, if you want, we can check the type of the stage. Okay, can write like so, console.log, and make their type of, and we pass the age like so. Okay, we see on the console number, which is the type of the age. Okay, we make there a small comment, number. Okay, let's move. Okay, now we can make let name equal to Rami, for example. Okay, same, make the console log in order to log the name on the console. Good job. Oh, okay, congratulations, the name is there. Okay, now if you want, we can make we can log the type of, to check the type of name. Constant log type of, and you pass the name like this. Okay, save and see. Congratulations, the type is a string. Okay, can make a small comment there, to clarify all things. String. Okay, let's move. Now, if you want to test something, for example, let is admin equals to true. It's a Boolean statement. Now we can log the is admin like so. Also the log and the process is admin like so. Save and see. True successfully on the console. Okay. Now if you want, we can log the console.log. You can log the type of is admin, type of, and you pass there the is up. Okay. Congratulations, Boolean is shown successfully. You can make a small comment, Boolean, to clarify all things. Okay, let's move. Now, if you want, we can write let, for example, has car. Okay, equal to null. Okay, null. Oh, I remember. Okay, equals to null. Okay. Now, if you want, we can console.log has car in order to show the result on the console. Okay, save and see together. Okay, the result is null, as you see. Okay, you can now check the type of console.log type of has car like so. Okay, save and see together. The result is an object. Okay. Now, if you want, can write a small comment like so. Null, it make or it give an object to clarify things. Okay, good job. Let's move. Now, if you want, you can write let, for example, amount. We declare only amount without any assignment. We can now console log to see the result of this amount on the console. Okay, console.log amount is undefined. Okay, we make there small command undefined. Okay, good job. We can check now the type of the amount, console.log type of, and we pass amount there. Okay, the type of is undefined. Okay, now if you want, you can assign amount equal to, for example, 500. Save and together. Okay, we have there 500 and the type of is updated to a number not undefined. Okay, good job. Congratulations. Okay, now if you want to come test our thing, let's move. Okay, let message if you want. Can make a small message, short message. Sorry. Okay, my name is, for example, you pass the name on the top of the page. Okay, my name is, and use the plus sign like so. Copy paste the name like so. Okay, good job. And my age also, we pass it on my age is, we passed also the age, class and age. Okay, good job. Now if you want to download the message, okay, console.log, and we pass the message there. Save and the value. Congratulations, it's shown successfully. My name is Rami and my age is 13. Okay, good job. We make it as a command, and now we will use the, if you want, the object literal. Okay, I will make as a command. Use now complete literal. Okay, like so. Good job. Let message equals right there r and 7. Okay, my name is, and you pass the name, so the syntax will be a dollar sign curly brackets like so, and you write inside the name like so. It's so simple. Okay, and my age is, and also we use the same syntax, the dollar sign and the curly brackets, and we pass the age there. Save and see together. Okay, congratulations, it works successfully. My name is Rami and my age is 13. Okay, good job. Good job. Now, if you want, you can make a small comment to the first test where we were using where we used already the plus sign. Okay, to see the difference between them. Okay, hope that you love this video. I hope that you understand more and more. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Make some comment if you want to clarify any things, and see you next video.